Hello, everybody. Good morning, good evening from wherever you are watching from. It's evening for me here in Western Australia, Perth to be precise. All right. So we're going to start with looking at fundamentals to see what we got in today in order for us to be able to ascertain what direction we could be executing on or what we are really looking out for in the market on NYSE session. Okay, so there is already some talk about the escalation of tariffs. Okay. Also, there was a strike in Kyiv, that's in Ukraine, by Russia. So all of these fundamentals could affect gold. In terms of data, I'm just going to have a look to see if we've had any data earlier on today. Okay, beautiful. So we had unemployment claims, which came out as expected, which was quite higher than the previous week. For durable goods order also came out lower. Durable goods order came out higher than expected. So overall, there is really nothing so much happening other than the fact that unemployment claims came out higher, which means that the number of people claiming for unemployment benefit are higher in the previous week, which means the labor market is weakening. And that could potentially strengthen the gold asset. So right about now, we're going to go into the fundamentals, see what we've got today. Okay, so I'm just going to remove all of this. I'm going to start from monthly chart. All right, so we are back up a little bit from yesterday. So on the monthly chart, we are still bullish. And on the weekly, also we are retracing, but it is worthy to know that we are still bearish on the weekly. We are around opening price this week. And on daily, we've been bullish today. Okay, but it is worthy to know that the current daily candle has not made any bottom wick, and at the moment we are seeing that the top wick is bigger than the entire body. So this is imbalance. I would have preferred to see the bottom wick before this candle would be moving up. So I'm going to be careful to execute anything or looking for a buy on a lower time frame, but it's worthy to know that there hasn't been any bottom wick on daily. So the market could retrace, make a bottom wick, or it could continue to push up showing sign of strength. We don't know yet. But it is worthy to note that there is no bottom. Drawing down to 4-hour candle, we can see what we've got on 4 hours. Okay, so 4 hours bearish. Last 4 hour close doji bearish. And the current 4 hour that is forming at the moment also does not have a top wick. So this is very dicey. This is really dicey. Price action is not really looking the best at the moment, but let's draw down to lower time frame and let's see what we got. So on 4 hours, this would be our support and our resistance here. So how many pips range is this? So we are in about 100 pips range. Wow. Okay. We'll see what we can find on lower time frame. On 1 hour, we have bearish as well, and we are in the same range as 4 hours. So I'm just going to adjust the zone a little bit. So things gets more interesting on 4 hours because of the way this candle close. This candle close with some sort of bearish pin bar. We broken the previous high, could not sustain, and we came down onto this low. So what I'm going to be looking out for is to put the resistance here on 1 hour. So at the moment, what is happening is that we are breaking the resistance on 1 hour. What I want to see is probably a candle closing around here for a continuation of downside to be able to fit this week. But I'm going to draw down 30 minutes to see what we got on 30 minutes. Oh, it's the same structure on 30 minutes. So 30 minutes is bearish and it's breaking support. So a very great perfect execution would have been somewhere around this here, around this zone. Would have been the best execution. So I've executed sell. But because I'm not here in the market at the time, I'm just gonna wait out to see how price action pushes. But if we look at this range, we can see that it's just about 74 pips range, which is not too bad, a good range. So and on 15 minutes. Okay, so 15 minutes is bearish. We already saw a breakout on 15 minutes. Last candle. I love the structure on 15 minutes, but usually 15 minutes is more of a weaker confirmation in terms of price action. So this becomes a little dicey. The question is, do I want to execute on 15 minutes or do I want to wait for 30 minutes? If I measure this, we've already maybe 2 pips out. So I'm going to enter a small position here, and then I'm going to add up later as the 30-minute candle closes. So I've just added half position. based on 15 minutes confirmation. So this 15-minute closes, 30-minute closes strong bearish. I'm going to be looking to add more positions. So just taking the sell around here. Based on 15 minutes, stop loss go back in this range, and then we can target this weak field on the left. Then we'll see. Yeah, it's a little bit dicey, but never say never. $15 can be somehow, but I've gotten quite good positions also on 15-minute prior before now, so I'm just gonna try it out and see. As 30-minute candle closes nice and strong around here, I'm gonna be adding more positions. We have seen multiple rejections around this zone prior before now, so I'm mindful of these rejections. See how price react around this zone. So my loss, yeah, this doesn't look good at all, so probably will be closing. Yeah, this doesn't look good. That's already about 49 pips. 30 minutes is about to close, and based on what we are seeing on 15 minutes, looks like a huge rejection is going on here. Just gonna wait, allow this 15-minute candle to close. If this 15-minute candle closes with strong bullish to create support, I'm gonna be looking to exit all my trades. Then I'm gonna be looking to buy over here, closure. At this point, I want to be liquidating my positions, so I'm gonna close half of my positions. So I've closed half of my position, take out some losses off the table. Okay, so 30 minutes has closed. No bottom here. So if we make a top wick and we continue to break the closing price of this candle, I'm gonna look to add in more position to then fill up this wick. I've just added another position. My trades are running in very nice profit. I'm gonna take off some positions. So I've taken off some positions, taking profit now in partial.
It's a brilliant move.
So I'm break even now. My trade is just running. Whatever happens now, I have taken profit, and I'm break even. Whatever happens now, I have taken profit for the day. I'm gonna be mindful of this spot here, but yeah, I'm break even now. Whatever happens, really not much of importance. If it continues to run, that's fine. If it stops running, that's fine. I've taken profit for the day. That's another day. That's another win. Massive one. That is a fantastic one. That is a fantastic one. Beautiful. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. Price action is a life changer. If you understand price action, it's a life changer. Easy peasy. Trade is still running in profit. Can adjust it a little bit. And break even. Whatever happens now, I'm in profit for the day. Easy. So I can continue to trade my stop loss now. Absolutely good stuff. So I've closed all my positions now. Good stuff. Good stuff. Beautiful. 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 That was another quick one. Yeah, I'm just gonna call it a day right here. It's been amazing. Just a quick one in and out, and we are done for the day. Remarkable. Take a piece of cake and just walk away. Come back tomorrow, do the same, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. It's how to build consistency. All right, so I'm just going to document my trade, and then we're just going to call it a day from here. Ciao. On to the next one.